Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your WordPress password directly from the database using Local by Flywheel. This is super useful if you forgot your password and can't log in. Let's get started. First, open the Local app and select your site. Now go to the Database tab and click Open AdMiner. AdMiner is like phpmyadmin, but built into Local. Once AdMiner opens, you'll see your WordPress database. Look for the table called WP Users and click on it. This is where all your WordPress user accounts are stored. Now find your username. Usually it's admin if you didn't change it. Click Edit next to that row. Here's the important part. In the field called User Pass, delete the old password and type your new one. Then, from the drop-down menu under Function, select MD5. This is important because WordPress encrypts your passwords. Once you've typed the new password and selected MD5, scroll down and click Save. That's it. Now go back to your WordPress login page, enter your username and the new password you just set, and you'll be able to log in successfully. And that's how you change your WordPress password directly from the database in Local by Flywheel. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching.